This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your theme on your Motorola phone. So if you don't like the current theme, just swipe down from the top right, go to settings. Now when we're under settings, we want to go down to personalization or personalize. And then you can see the themes in the top right. You can change the theme under here. So let's go to this one and just apply it. Then we can back out, otherwise we can add more themes if we want. And we can come up with our own kind of theme. Then we can go back under here. We can tap the wallpaper and we can change the wallpaper too. You can use your own images or just select one of these options. You can go to change wallpaper right here. Just go to city. And then we can find something under here we kind of like. So I kind of like more of a medieval kind of church look. So you can go all the way back to Roman times with the column C. And what is this? And then we can change it for the lock screen and the home screen. I'm not sure what that is. Just a big house. So let's go to this castle. And then when we apply it, we can go to the little option down here and we can go to home and lock screen. And I'll set the background now. That's a good image. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.